Hello everyone, in this video, let's see what is percentage composition, formula to calculate percentage composition, steps involved in it, and few exam type of problems. So what is percentage composition? It helps us to determine the percentage of each and every element present in a compound. Let's take a common example, water. Percentage composition always obeys the law of constant proportion, which means the combination of any two elements should always be in a fixed proportion by mass. That is, the ratio of the elements should be same. Combination of hydrogen and oxygen will always be in the ratio of 1:8. Formula to calculate percentage composition is mass of an element divided by total mass of the compound into 100. Steps to calculate percentage composition. First, find the total mass of the compound. Second step, mass of an element. Third step, mass divided by total mass into 100. In this question, we are going to find the percentage of hydrogen and oxygen in water molecule. To find the total mass, you need to find the mass of hydrogen atom first. So, hydrogen atom in water molecule, right? So, here we have two atoms of hydrogen is here. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen, 2. Oxygen atom, only one atom is there. So into atomic mass of oxygen, 16. So total mass of H2O is 18. This is the total mass. Percentage of hydrogen in water molecule. To calculate this, we need to look into the number of atoms present in this compound. So here we have mass of hydrogen is 2 divided by 18 into 100 will give you the percentage of water molecule. So percentage of oxygen in water molecule is, here we have 16, right? Here we have mass of oxygen is 16 divided by 18, multiply it with 100 will give you the percentage of oxygen. So 11.11% of hydrogen is there in water molecule and 88.88% of oxygen there in water molecule. What is the percentage of nitrogen in urea? Here in this question, you need to find the percentage of nitrogen alone. To find the total mass, find the mass of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. Add all the values to get the total mass of urea, that is 60. Here the total mass is 60. Now we need to find only for the nitrogen atom. How many, like here you have 2 atoms of nitrogen is here. So 28 divided by 16 into 100. This will give you the percentage of nitrogen atom. Okay. So 46.67% of nitrogen is there in urea. Here in this question, find the percentage of sodium in sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula is Na2CO3. Here we have 2 atoms of sodium, 1 atom of carbon and 3 oxygen atom is there. To find the total mass, sodium atom into its atomic number, number of carbon atom into its atomic number, oxygen into its atomic number. Add all the values to get the total mass. Now we need to find the percentage of sodium, right? So to find the sodium atom, 46 divided by total mass into 100. So 43% of sodium is there in sodium carbonate. Copper to bromide. To find the copper to bromide, find the mass of copper. Do the same for bromine atom. Add the values to get the total mass of the copper to bromide. So 28.45% of copper and 71.55% of bromine is there. The sum of this percentage should always be equal to 100.